Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be on how to upload your presentations using Portfolium. You probably already know, but Portfolium is just a way for the broad community on Portfolium to have access to your research and presentations, as well as the Radford community. So first you're going to want to go to portfolium.com, and then you'll want to go over here and select New Project. From there, you can add a title right here in this box, whatever title you submitted to ours. And then here is where you can upload your file. So we have how-to videos on our D2L for you guys to access on how to make a Screen-O-Matic like I'm doing right now, or a Zoom video if that's what you prefer. We do recommend using a cover slide to begin your presentation. It will look something like this. This will also be uploaded on our D2L, and it's just a good way to start your video to give it that good formal look. And then you can add your category of your presentation here, so whatever you feel it best fits under. You have lots of options. In the description box, we would like you to put the abstract that you submitted, as well as a synopsis that is 2 to 3 sentences in length, explaining your research question, why it is important, and your major takeaway or finding. If you keep scrolling for your skills, tools, or software, here is where you're going to add things that your future job market could potentially see. So research, analysis, communication, just any of those skills or tools that were used, you're going to want to go ahead and put them here. For teammates, you're going to put anyone that worked on this presentation with you. So be that your mentor, or if there was more than one of you working on the presentation, you'll just want to make sure that you include everyone. So that means that you will only need to upload one video if there is more than one of you presenting the information. And then in tags, for us, this is really important. We would like you all to use the hashtag RUSRC2020. That'll be an easy way for us to all find your presentations. You can put any other tags that you would like to put. They're just ways for people to find your presentation easier, but that will just be one way for us to find your presentation easier. And then if you're not done with your presentation and you still want to go back and look at it, you can press finish later and it will be saved in your drafts. But if you are happy with how it looks and you're ready to go ahead and publish, you can press publish, and then you can edit the visibility options here if needed. If you don't need to edit your visibility options and you're good to go, you can go ahead and press done and publish project and you'll be good to go. So I hope this was helpful.